If you are trying to open your TikTok app and it is just closing by itself, then this video is actually for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok app keep restarting by itself. So guys, that was much of your time. Let's dive right into the video. You're welcome to App Fix and In. So looking right here is my device. In order for you to fix that problem, the first step you need to take is to go to your phone settings like this. So when you do that, right here is my phone settings. Let me quickly go back. So right here is my phone settings. The next step you need to take here is to scroll and look for where you can see apps. So you need to go to that section like this. Now right here, click on the search button and search for TikTok. So go ahead and click on TikTok like this, then go ahead and click on storage. So you just need to go ahead and click on clear cache. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. So you need to clear the cache. Sometimes this is actually a bug issue. So in order for you to fix it, you need to click on clear cache like this. At the bottom of the screen as well, you can see where it says clear data. So you can go ahead and click on clear data and click on delete. Now mind you, when you click on delete, it is actually going to require your login when you want to log into the app. So you can go ahead and click on delete and delete your data. Then go to the app and relog into the TikTok app. Log into your account and you'll be able to fix this bug issue. So this is how simple it is to fix TikTok refreshing by itself. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips like this. Tell me on the comment section if there's any video you want me to make for you.